As you start sipping on the gelatin trick mixture, you can almost feel your body kicking into high gear, like a gentle humming of an engine, burning away the excess fat that's been weighing you down. It's as if your cells are finally getting the green light to let go of all the extra baggage, and you can't help but imagine the fat melting away, like ice cubes on a warm summer day. Your digestive system starts to work more efficiently, and you notice the difference in how you feel. Lighter, freer, like you can take on the world. People who have tried the gelatin trick rave about the way it helps them wake up feeling refreshed, without the bloated, sluggish feeling that often comes with a big meal. My friend, who's been doing the gelatin trick for a while now, swears by its ability to help her drop that heavy feeling, and she's not alone. Researchers say that the gelatin in this trick helps to absorb excess water and support the growth of good gut bacteria, which in turn helps to burn fat more efficiently. The gelatin trick is a simple yet powerful daily ritual that can make a huge difference in how you feel. And the best part is, it's made with a cheap ingredient you can find at any grocery store. Check out the link in the description below to learn more about the gelatin trick, and be sure to read the pinned comment for a special tip on how to get the most out of this fat-burning trick. Give the gelatin trick a try and start feeling the difference for yourself. And don't forget to come back and share your own experience with the gelatin trick in the comments.